Good morning, madam. Myself, Ravi Roshan Kumar Chaudhary, under guidance of Dr. Kakeli Chatterjee, CSC Department, NIT Patna. Today, I am presenting pre-registration. My topic is authentication technique for IoT-based e-healthcare system. My presentation outline is introduction, challenges of a smart healthcare system, literature survey, summary table, research gap, motivation, objective of the research, problem statement, problem solution model 1 and model 2, list of publication references. Introduction. E-healthcare system is mainly internet-based health monitoring system. With the help of type of healthcare system, critical patient can be monitored and diagnosed and from anywhere at any time. Due to sharing, accessing of database with different users such as doctor, nurse, etc., the HS suffer with different security issue. On the issue is authorized access to a patient record. In figure, EHS EHS health monitoring data. E-healthcare is a mainly work. E-healthcare is a mainly four types: health monitoring data, doctor, nurse, ambulance, web server, patient, and medical sensor. Challenges of IoT healthcare. Authentication issue, trust model issue, key management issue, security and privacy issue. Authentication issue. Security and privacy is a very important role. Authentication issue is a major because health data is data sensor data is collect health data by body area network. Trust model issue. Trust model issue is a key management issue. Literature survey 1. And IoT is a concept reflecting anyone, any place, anywhere. In this figure, IoT is a connecting Gmail, rail, house, smart house, body, car, laptop, mobile, rail. IoT simply means their interconnection of vast heterogeneous network and system in different pattern of communication such as human to human, human to things, or human to things. IoT have three layer. Application layer has IoT has three layer: application layer, perception layer, network layer. The application layer has different type of the applications such as a smart environment, a smart healthcare, a smart grid, intelligence transformations. Perception layer has a different technology such as GGB, RFID, sensor node, sensor gateway. Network layer has different types such as mobile device, cloud computing, network ID. Internet. IoT, a smart application consists of smart city, a smart grid, a smart healthcare, and intelligence transformations. IoT technology. IoT technology has occurred different type of the architecture, communication, data. Authentication. Application has four types such as authentication, authorization, executions of resource, trust management. Establishment. Architecture has different types: authentication and authorization. Communication has two types: man in middle attack and eavesdropping. Data has a different trust and privacy. So literature survey. 1. ALWA at all-purpose Internet of Things security framework, which has three layers such as application layer, network layer, and perception layer. There are four types of IoT security technologies such as application, architecture, communication, and data. The IoT are data are collected and transfer health data, blood sugar level, blood pressure, and ECG. Smart healthcare suffered threats and attacks such as misuse of data loss. The mostly commonly security techniques that are considered that we use cases in application domain are authentication, authorization, execution of resource, and trust establishment. Just survey do IoT healthcare service and IoT. IoT healthcare services. The IoT healthcare service consists of general IoT service and protocol that are required for IoT structure that might be required for a small alterations for accurate functionality of the healthcare system. AAL, ambient assistant living. The main aim of ALL service is to provide an independent life for elderly people and keep them safe and content. The Internet of Health Things, MIoT. The Internet of Things is known as mobile IoT, which involve mobile computing, communication technology, and medical sensor for healthcare services. Adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction happen by taking overdoses of medications. Community healthcare. Uh, the community healthcare is an important healthcare service. The CH mainly monitor like area around a local community. IoT CHI, Children Health Information. CHI mainly used for awareness around children health and their behavior, emotions, and mental problem. Besides the pandemic ward user, CHI service educating, empowering, and informing of the children. EGC Abandoned Gateway Configuration. The abandoned gateway configuration is based on service architecture method that connect the patient network directly to internet. ECG gateway is from IoT which is based on mobile computing device. This is mobile computing. ECG gateway is mobile getting device. IoT applications. The IoT application have a close relations with IoT technology. These applications are applied directly to user and patient. Then the next subdivision provide several IoT healthcare applications including cluster condition and single condition. They are as follows: glucose level sensing. It will give accurate results of glucose cost level. Besides, it helps in planning the medicine's activities mediation time. Blood pressure. Dhananjay. Dhananjay et al. Dhananjay introduced IoT-based system, wireless body network sensor, challenges, issue of WBN is a discuss. Challenges of IoT. Scalability. IoT EHS has following challenges and open issue such as scalability, IoT healthcare security, low power in IoT healthcare device, network architecture, cost analysis of IoT healthcare application, the app development process, quality of service, continuous monitoring for healthcare purpose. Technology, security, energy, ambiguous healthcare, resource management, quality of service, real time wireless health monitor. Exclusive offer for PayPal members. Get Spiker merchandise free by simply up. In this figure, IoT development figure, IoT architecture, IoT based e-healthcare architecture, uh, monitoring system. This is a monitoring system. Uh, this is a microcontroller, and this is a database server. This is a edge sensor, microcontroller, and this is a user, a smartphone and web browser. Smartphone या web browser. GSM पायरोल सर्वर मतलब नेट कन्वर्ट करता है, GSM के थ्रू सर्वर में आता है. मार्टिन फाजी लॉजिक. लिटरेचर सर्वे. In real time monitoring, now a time real time monitoring in a from the existing literature survey, importance of healthcare data can be divided into three categories such as remote monitoring, critical care and context awareness. Nowadays, IoT-based e-healthcare systems are widely used for remote health monitoring diagnosis to reduce the cost of healthcare services. In this system, patient data is stored in a cloud and medical professional can access the data at any time. Hence, secure transferring of Health data is essential for treatment or monitoring purpose. Also, while storing the patient record, it must be kept safe from misuse and modification of data, as it can easily tracked by other device. IoT healthcare network, IoT WN based technology, IoT healthcare service and application, challenges and open issue of IoT healthcare system. So previously I will discuss IoT healthcare network in this figure. WAN based IoT healthcare technology ubiquitous uh, telemedicine, resource management, security, energy, quality of services. This is a technology. IoT healthcare service and application. IoT healthcare services. IoT healthcare services are differentiated. First, such as AAL, ambient living, MIoT, the mobile IoT based healthcare system. Third one, third CHI, child community, child community. अच्छा, एम्बिडेंट में elderly peoples मतलब AAL has provide elderly patient monitor, adverse drug reaction, it is a important vital. It is a very important role for the IoT healthcare services, because because it's drug reaction monitor drugs overdoses. IoT healthcare service and application. So application applications as IoT application has many types such as uh, ECG monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, body temperature tempering, single condition and double condition. Literature survey. Okay. Literature survey. IoT IoT device is a small size, low memory, and less computational power. Wireless technology of IoT. Wire, IoT based healthcare system has very important role for wireless technology. Wireless technology is just called Wi-Fi, Zigbee, IEEE. It it's it's different characteristics, feature, benefits, solutions. first Bluetooth okay. This is a sensor, the hardware sensor, ECG processor, heartbeat processor, body temperature sensor, room temperature sensor. Work and authentication issue. Delian. Delian. In 2017, Dell introduced biometric technology in IoT environment. There has advantages such as its performance depend on the fly checkers in biometric technology. The disadvantage of disadvantage is disadvantage is to required security and IoT PC. Okay. Research gap. The lack of uniformity among connected devices, the scalability of the system. Massive data is being transferred and stored can be hacked and misused. The cost of term of computational and computational cost is very high for a constant device. A high latency and response time regards the quality of service parameter in cloud-based system. First, the first one is as the IoT nodes are constant in terms of memory, processing speed, a lightweight authentication protocol is required. Second is which built to secure and efficient framework for IoT healthcare system, which can reduce latency and response time for relative application. The this motivation is to motivation. First one is as IoT nodes are constant in term of memory and processing speed, a lightweight authentication protocol is required. Second issue is build secure and effective framework of a smart healthcare which can reduce latency and response issue for real time response. The candidate the motivates me to work and solve issue. Objective to collect health data in IoT based e-healthcare system and transfer in secure manner, to develop secure manner mechanism which is lightweight and to reduce the latency and time for real time application. Problem statement. The development secure EAT framework for secure manner for healthcare system which can efficiency perform secure data transfer from IoT device to medical server, efficiency to identify by stock authentication mechanism, provide high level security with low cost and latency. Problem solutions. Proposed solution. Proposed solutions. The body framework in this figure. From the above research, the following proposed solution have been formulated. First one is a data collection block, which is responsible for collecting data from the health sensor device. There are There are constant health in device. Yeah, it is the data is the data is processed to communication and processing block. This block is responsible for data aggregation, normalization, and communication block, which is closed block is accessed by a crisis block used for cloud service provider. Proposed solution. Proposed block cipher technique is shown in figure 3. This modified block cipher technique is based on one metric rotation, exhaust, and expansion function. This encryption process modified based on expressed term section. Okay. First one is collection block, which is responsible for collecting data from sensor device. Data attached the human body to monitor patient condition. This data is passed to communication and pre-processing block. This block is responsible for data aggregation, normalizations, communicate to third block, which is a strong block. This block is accessed by a user block through the cloud service. Okay, thank you. This is this figure explained that proposed block cipher technique is shown in figure. The modified block cipher technique is based on one metric rotation, exhaust, and expression file. The encryption process mainly depend on an round key and encryption G. Okay. In this phase, the user are registered birth its device layer application layer when okay. Okay, thank you.